What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video, and I know you're probably here because you want to create a website for your business or for your blog, and I'm pretty sure you came across with the name of WordPress. If that's the case, stay tuned until the end of the video so you can understand why you should consider to use WordPress to create your site. But first, let me answer you this question. What is WordPress? Basically, WordPress is a software that you use to create your very own website in an easy way. We use a few clicks, steps, you can have it published in the internet. It also called Content Management System or CMS. And something I like about WordPress is that it has been for so long in the market since 2003 that is the most popular website builder on earth. It's the engine behind big websites like TechCrunch, New York Times, BBC America, that get millions of visits to very small websites that gets barely any visits a day. And there's a reason why third of the internet runs on WordPress, and it has become the most popular content management system is because it has over 11,000 templates you can use to design your site however you want. It has over 15,000 plugins you can use to customize or improve your site in any way you want. And I know that nowadays there are many other software you can use, but to be honest, those software come with a lot of limitation with speed, customization, SEO, and more. But the best part about WordPress is that it's completely free to use. How's that possible? Well, it all boils down that WordPress is not owned by one person. Rather, it's an open source community where a lot of people contribute to it to make it what it is today. So, thank you so much for all those people that make this possible and that make our life easier when we would try to build our websites. And the beauty about WordPress is that you can use it from wherever you want. You just need to have an internet connection. You can upload videos to it, photos, you can create different kind of websites. You want to create e-commerce website, personal website, educational websites, entertainment website. Man, it just depends on your imagination, honestly. You can do whatever you want with this software. With the plugins that you can add to it, it already makes your life easier because the plugins are basically like tools that can help you improve your site to make it look even better. So how does it work? Well, back in the day, if you want to create a website, you need to learn about coding, HTML, PHP, so your web browser interpret this code into what you see, your text, your images, your section, basically all your website. So let me tell you that WordPress, it works exactly like this. The only difference is that you don't have to touch any coding to update your site because WordPress will do it for you. And man, that's a big relief for us because doing or touching the coding is a completely nightmare. It's a headache, and trust me, you should be happy to have this software right now to create your own site. So lucky for us, the new tech is wonderful. Also, you may have noticed that there are two types of WordPress, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So if you're wondering which one should you choose, well, let me tell you that WordPress.com, I see it like something more like a hobby website. It's because WordPress.com is where you can go and create your website for free with their hosting, but it comes with a lot of limitation. Like for example, your website can be deleted at any time if WordPress feels like that you have violated their term of use. Also, you are limited to use their themes, which that means you can upload customizable themes, which are the ones that make your website look nice. You can't monetize with ads. You can use basically any plugin which makes your website function the best way possible, and you don't own a domain name, which you're gonna have something like this, which I consider is look terrible, especially if you have a serious business. But if you're watching this video, it's because you wouldn't wanna have limitations on your site and you wanna own your own domain name. So if that's the case, then I recommend you to be self-hosted and use WordPress.org. Self-hosted, it means that you don't wanna host your site with WordPress, you wanna host it with another software. I'm gonna leave in the description below the software that I use and recommend. If you do that, you're gonna be able to first access to thousands of plugins. You're gonna have a unique domain name, so you're gonna have a more professional site with your name on it. And you're gonna be able to monetize your website with ads. You're gonna have completely free customization over your website, and you're gonna have the option to create an online store. So if that's the case, you want to create a self-hosted WordPress site, then I highly recommend going to bgonlinesolutions.com. I have a step-by-step guide where I'm gonna guide you from getting a hosting service, a domain name, install WordPress, customize your site. It's completely free to get in. You have to go to the description below, click the link, and start creating your own site. If you find this helpful, please share it with someone that might need it. Comment below if you have any question, like it, subscribe, because this is gonna help my channel to grow, and I really appreciate that. And without further ado, see you in the next video.